Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you a useful website where you can provide color grading for your images using AI. So the website called lutbuilder.ai. So for that, first we need to create an account. So you have to create your account with Gmail. So now you have to upload your image. You can upload any kind of images. So I'm going to upload this image. So after that, you have to choose any one of the reference image. You can select any kind of reference image. So there are a lot of movies reference. So you can see Blade Runner, Founder, Jailer, Fight Club, Zodiac, Gone Girl, Curious Case of Benjamin Button, Arrival. There are a lot of movies. So I'm going to select Matrix. I'm going to select this reference and then you can generate the LUT. So this will be the LUT for your image. You can also change your LUT reference. So I'm going to select. So I'm going to select this and then you can generate the LUT again. So this is how you can change your LUT for your image. So after that you can download the image. So your LUT will be downloaded. So this is how you can change your color grading for your image. For image option, you can also change for video. It will be coming soon.